Alright guys, so this is a 2019 Honda CB500X, and I had a lot of trouble getting this out to put the handguards. So the trick here, I found a lot of videos that says it's pretty easy, and so what I was doing was trying to I screw this little screw here by spinning it. I tried with a screwdriver, I tried with many things, and it didn't work. It just, the whole thing keeps spinning to a point that it kind of ruined this little seal here. So the trick here is very simple. It doesn't say anywhere with the 2019. All you have to do is get a screwdriver like this and press this little lever here. You will just keep on pulling it like this out, and same at the bottom, and at one side. If it's still not working, just put some lubricant, something like that, and yeah, just keep on pulling it out, the bottom and the top, until it comes out. It comes out so easily when you do that. If you keep spinning it, it will just not work. Now once it's out, what I'm gonna do is just hold this with something really tight and try to get that damn screw out, so I can put this bar inside and attach the handguard later on. So let's see how that's gonna work, but that's the trick to get this out. Thanks for watching. So yeah guys, so once this is out, I clamped it like this, and as you can see, now it's much easier to take this screw out. This is horrible. I had such a bad time to get this out. There you have it. So for the right side, I use it to like this little plier is really thin to hook into that bottom lever, and since it's got teeth, it was much easier to pull it out. Be very careful not to break this, because I already did here at the top. Okay guys, so and then it's out. But this is the damage that you make when you start spinning this first with a drill. That's the worst mistake, to start spinning first. You need to get this lever out, the whole thing out, then you clamp it here and try this, get the screws out. So soapy water for the anti-vibration grip. So I put a little bit on the handles, and I also put a little bit inside the grip, and this is how it looks. As you are putting it in, you put your finger in there and keep on rolling until the whole thing is all the way here. It's pretty simple.